What was it like to have such a famous mother?
By that time, I was in a world where the Jewish theater was considered ancillary. There was nothing to projecting myself as the son of a famous actress. In Jewish circles, yes, my mother was still famous, but the whole aspect of the Jewish theater was secondary all around me to an entertainment world that put Jews in a very secondary role. Jewish people all knew my mother and were very appreciative. As was I about her being special, but definitely secondary. I mean, I remember consciously thinking, my mother is no Greta Garbo. In her role as a premier actress in the so-called Jewish theater, I knew how good she was, maybe more than the others. She was a wonderful tragedian. She could project the miserableness of a Russian housewife. So that every time I saw it, and I was seeing it for the 100th time, I was, one, very moved. And secondarily, I grieved with her. I knew, I saw, I watched, I marveled at what a fine actress she was. She could take any emotional drive. She could take it by the shoulders, or anything else that put her in control. But she was good. I thought so.